A homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution. For example, when you prepare a sharbat, that time you take first water into a glass, then maximum quantity of water is taken. Into that you add 2 spoons of sugar, lemon juice, salt, and then you have to stir it. So this is the solution. Actually it's a homogeneous mixture because lemon drops, sugar, salt, they all get completely dissolved in water. Seeds of lemon juice you have to remove first. Only lemon drops, juice drops without any fiber if you put, then a homogeneous mixture of lemon juice, sugar, salt and water is formed, and that is called a solution. That component of a solution which is present in the largest proportion is called solvent. So here water is taken into largest proportion. So water is the solvent. And the other components, for example, sugar, salt, they are solutes. The other components which are present in less proportion than the solvent are called solute. So if sugar is added into water, then sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. And when sugar crystals, they dissolve uniformly into water, then the mixture which is ready is called as solution. It's a homogeneous solution. The process of forming a solution by mixing solutes in a solvent is called dissolution. The solutions such as sea water, blue vitriol dissolved in water, salt dissolved in water, sugar syrup are of the type solid in liquid. So solid particles are dissolved in liquid. So it is a type of homogeneous mixture in which solids are dissolved in liquid. In addition to this, solution can also be of types liquid in liquid. For example, vinegar, dilute sulfuric acid. So these are the examples of liquid in liquid. Sometimes solutions can be prepared by gas in gas. For example, air. Air is a homogeneous mixture of several gases. Solid in solid. For example, alloys like brass, steel, stainless steel. These alloys are example of solid mixed in solid. Gas in liquid. Gas in liquid, chlorinated water, hydrochloric acid. Here in chlorinated water, chlorine gas is mixed into liquid. Swimming pool. Chlorination is done in swimming pool. Chlorinated water is used as a disinfectant. Suspension. In second beaker in the above activity, a heterogeneous mixture of water and sawdust was formed. It is a mixture of liquid and solid. Sawdust, if it is added into water, two different phases are seen. So it is a heterogeneous mixture. So here solid is mixed into liquid. Heterogeneous mixture of liquid and a solid is called suspension. The diameter of solid particles in a suspension is larger than 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Moreover, these solid particles remain on an ordinary filter paper as residue, and therefore the liquid and solid components of a suspension get separated by filtration. In previous video, you had seen that sawdust can be easily separated by using filtration assembly, because this sawdust can remain on the surface of filter paper. So solid components can easily be separated by filtration in case of suspension. So suspension is a heterogeneous mixture of solid and liquid. Colloid. The mixture of water and milk in the third beaker in the above activity is translucent. It means that when light is incident on the surface of this mixture, it is partly transmitted and partly scattered. This is because the tiny particles of milk phase in this heterogeneous mixture are dispersed evenly in water phase and the diameter of this particle is around 10 raised to minus 5 meter, such a heterogeneous mixture is called colloid. Milk dissolved in water, that is a opaque solution, is formed. If you pass light through this, partly the light gets scattered and partly the light gets transmitted. It is due to tiny particles of milk present in the heterogeneous mixture, and the diameter of this particle is around 10 raised to minus 5 meter. So such type of heterogeneous mixture is called as colloid. However, as the pores of an ordinary filter paper are larger than colloid, the heterogeneous mixture cannot be separated by filtration. Milk is itself a colloid. In it, the solid and liquid particles of proteins, fats, etc. having a diameter around 10 raised to minus 5 meter are dispersed in the aqueous medium. Apart from this, there are some more types of colloids such as solid in gas, for example smoke. Smoke particles are mixed in air, solid in gas. Sometimes it is liquid in gas. Fog, cloud, they are examples of liquid in gas. Milk is a type of colloid. In milk, particles of proteins, fats, they are present and they have diameter around 10 raised to minus 5 meter. And particles of milk cannot be separated by using ordinary filter paper, because the pores of ordinary filter paper are larger than the particle size of colloids. So colloid particles, they get easily pass away through filter paper and therefore they cannot be separated by using ordinary filter paper. So milk is an example of colloid. We will study about compounds in next video.